Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin apps to the start menu and taskbar. Okay, so let's go to start. This side is your app list. The right hand side here is your start menu. Bottom line here on the bottom is your taskbar. So we want to pin on your taskbar and start menu for easy access. So that way we don't have to scroll down all of our lists here. Okay. So let's do two examples like sticky notes. If you want to shortcut to sticky notes, let's right click this and put it on to our start. So it will go here. Okay. And if you want to pin it to our taskbar, let's do Google. Where's Google? Okay, Google Chrome. Let's right click on it and go to more and then go to taskbar. There you go. You see it appear on your taskbar here, and when you're in, you just click on it instead of coming inside here and scrolling back and forth. And if you know the name of the apps, then you just go to your search bar here and type in here, and you can look that they have the option for you here as well to either pin to start or pin to taskbar. Let's do taskbar. So you see that it appears down here. Okay, so, and if you don't want it to be on your taskbar or you don't want it to be in your start menu anymore, you could just right click on the apps and unpin from the start. Okay, here and unpin from taskbar. So here we go. This is how you pin apps to the start menu and taskbar. Thank you for watching my video.